Hi there and welcome to St James. My name is Caroline. I'm the Operations Manager and I'm going to be taking your tour today. At St James we have a large, fully equipped gym. It is all included in your accommodation fee, so there's no hidden charges, and it's open 24 hours a day, so you can use it whenever you would like. We also have a yoga studio upstairs for exercising, and I'll show you that shortly. The cinema room is another one of our lounges. It's open 24 hours a day. We host movie nights and sports watch parties here. If you would like to book the room and invite your friends over, you certainly can. A lot of our residents actually use it for presentation preparation as well. We have lots of space at St James for you to meet your neighbours and hang out with your flatmates. We have lots of facilities, so we've got pool tables, ping pong tables and foosball. We also have a large study area which we'll show you next. Our residents are very lucky here at St James because we have so much study space, which is super helpful during exam season, and especially if you want to get out of your room and study somewhere else for a change of scenery. At St James we have 9 different social lounges dispersed throughout the building. They're all decorated differently. Just now we're in our library. We do have lots of different social rooms. Some of them are study areas. We have a games room as well. You can book all of these until 10 p.m, and I'm going to show you one of our social spaces now. This is one of the social spaces that we've turned into a communal study space. It was decorated by one of our residents. Again, all of our social spaces can be booked and used by all of our residents. If you are more of a yoga or Pilates person as opposed to a gym person, we have the perfect space for you. This is our yoga studio. We have put on classes here, and some of our residents have also become yoga teachers while using our space. We are now in one of our cluster kitchens. These kitchens are shared by 7 ensuite residents. As you can see, there is a lot of room, so plenty of space to meet your neighbours and socialise and make friends for the year. I'm going to show you one of our ensuite rooms now. Our ensuite rooms come with a large desk, which is perfect for studying during exam season. There's also loads of storage, so we have underbed storage and a double bed. We have a wardrobe and lots of shelving space for you to store your items. There's also an ensuite bathroom, so there's no need to share bathrooms in a shared flat. I'm going to now pass you on to Catherine, who's one of our current residents, who's going to give you a tour of her studio.
Hello, welcome to my studio. So here's my desk. Usually I spend a lot of time here. You got lots of space for your personal belongings. I have lots of books, and there's the closet for your clothes, and I really love the window because it lets the sunshine get through and light up the whole room. I like to decorate the room with lots of green plants. Here's the bed. It's a very cozy area, and I enjoy a lot of time here. I put a lot of personal decoration here, including my piano. I play a little bit music sometimes. Here's the kitchen. I usually like to have very simple breakfast here, like a toast or some coffee. And you have a mini bar here, and it's very, very convenient, enough storage space for your personal things for kitchen. And here is the bathroom. Also very convenient. All right, thank you for coming by.
This is our reception area, which is manned 24 hours a day. We have the admin team on during the day and our night customer service advisors in the evening. So we're here if you need us for anything at all, or even if you just want to come and have a chat. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you soon.